Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to print the multiplication table using the for loop. I am having a variable n equal to integer of input of enter the table you want to display. So here the enter the table you want to display will get displayed in the user's console and user enter value input statement receives it as a string and in function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. That means the fifth table, sixth table or 10th table that is obtained from the user. Next, m equal to integer of input of enter the range. The range means up to which term we have to calculate the multiplication table. Here I am writing a for loop. For I is loop variable in operator range. The starting point is 1 and the ending point is I am giving m plus 1 followed by a colon. Here the range will generate a list from starting point to the stopping point minus 1. That means here this 1, here m plus 1 minus 1 is m. So a list which contain the value 1 to m will get generated here. So I am first printing the value. First I am printing the value of the variable I, comma, followed by a asterisk symbol, star is a string, followed by n. That means the table which you want to calculate, comma, followed by a equal to symbol, comma, followed by I'm calculating n star I. This is the print statement. Here we have given a tab that says the print statement within the scope of the for loop. Here a tab space is given, that is indentation that states the print statement is within the scope of the for loop. For the each iteration of the for loop, the print will get executed. Initially, I will take the value 1 from the list. So I am printing I here. We can get 1 followed by a string star and followed by a value of n. For example, it is a 10th table. So here it is a 10 and followed by a equal to symbol, that is a string, comma, and having a value n star I. That means 10 into 1 means 10. So next the control will come here. I will take the next value 2 followed by a string star. Here the value of n and equal to n values for sample n star I. That means n is 10 and I is to 20. Likewise, up to the range m, the table will get printed completely. We will execute the program and check the result. Enter the table. I am giving a table 10. Enter the range. I am giving 15. So here I am having a multiplication table 1 star 10 equal to 10 up to 15 star 10 equal to 150. I am getting a table here. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.